rustled leaves roll the street at my feet. Bags blowing, I keep my eyes fixed on the trees. The ground beneath just keeps flowing. In this wind, nothing stays still for long, for long, for long. I can't hold what I can't keep, and what will be, I can't know it. If you would just stay close to me, I'm sure we could at least slow it. In this wind, I can't stand still for long, for long, for long. If you could tell me exactly how much longer, if you could tell me how strong, I shouldn't waver, but is it so wrong for me to wish for just a time I could see what you see? My grasp. In this wind, nothing stays still for long, for long, for long. If you could tell me exactly how much longer, if you could tell me how strong, I shouldn't waver, but is it so wrong for me to wish for just a time I could see what you see? If you could tell me exactly how much longer, if you could tell me how strong, I shouldn't waver, but is it so wrong for me to wish for just a time I could see what you see?
Hey, Evan, where are we going today?
Evolution Base.
Yes. summited this dome here. Let's see if you can see them. We'll zoom in. Here they are. Moving around. Uphill by Christina Rossetti.
Does the road wind uphill all the way?
Yes, until the very end.
Will the day's journey take the whole long day?
From morn to night, my friend.
But is there for the night a resting place?
A roof for when the snow dark hours begin.
Will not the darkness hide it from my face?
You cannot miss that thing.
Will I meet other wayfarers at night?
Those who have gone before.
Then must I knock or call when just in sight?
They will not keep you waiting at that door.
Will I find comfort, travel sore and weak?
Of labor, you will find some.
Will there be beds for me and all who seek?
Yes, beds for all who come.
I literally had a dream that happened to me the other night. I was like, in my dream, my pants were down and a bear was behind me. Oh my god, he's huge.
He's a big one.
And all I'm seeing is his butt now.
No, his face.
Is that his head?
That's his head. He's eating. He
That's
turned
his
around.
head? I thought it was his butt.
I can't believe we saw a bear. Hey Elise,
Hey,
where are we?
we're in the Ray Lakes area. We're like getting close to Arrow Lake. And maybe this is paradise. Maybe we died earlier today.
Maybe.
It's my best guess.
So we are about 800 feet from the summit of Forester Pass. Oh, Mr. Marmot. He's a little shy, but he's also a little social. Well, we're here at Guitar Lake. That is Mount Whitney. Today, we're gonna finish up our trip.
The end.
What do you think, Elise?
We made it this far.
We have. Have you seen enough marmots?
Yes, I think so. I would like one or two more.
One or two more. She suggested last night that we let a marmot sleep in our tent with us. She said it would be cuddly.
I think it would be.
How does it feel?
It's good.
Yeah?
It's extremely good. It might be better than the tacos we had at Independence.
Oh boy.
I'm not sure.
Don't go there.
I maybe just am more ravenous right now.